I don't know if he does. Do you do volume on your? Oh yeah, you do. 8.
It's pretty good.
5. I don't know how still I'm supposed to be. I'll go first.
Okay.
Good luck.
Hey, yo, right here. Oh, he said it. Oh, you'd be a good auctioneer though, right?
No, that's what happened to me. He's getting good at it.
This is not my day, though.
Oh, it's not mine either.
This is not
To be
my
fair,
day.
his is worse than yours.
Oh shit. So this is not very good. Stand by me.
9.
What do I do?
Got big deck.
I got 3 sleeves.
Activate glamour.
56. Okay, so we're almost there. We're almost there.
My dad told me he has to shuffle like this. He doesn't do
I'll
it.
add pedal.
Yeah, like
Sure.
the 2.
You're going back in, but
Your dog.
I hope I'm going back in. Fair.
He told me not to take the
Adds any Rikka monster to the hand.
Yeah, do the backwards.
And then I can only summon plants for the rest of the turn.
Good luck, Duelist.
The
Will
imperm.
you like lay it out like this?
No, but he, like, he does that sometimes.
So,
It's like
Effect. Target.
it does take a little bit, but so you have 56, right? So what you could do is you could just lay them out in piles of 8. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then eventually it'll be even, and all you gotta do is pick up each of the piles.
Because I reveal assault mode.
I kind of did that. I just did it.
Activate.
If I reveal assault mode.
Alright, lotto time. On summon, I can declare 1 through 3, excavate that many off the top of my deck, and then summon as many plants from those as possible. So 3.
see your RNG.
1 plant.
Hey, that's the best one, though.
RNG, baby.
It's not great.
I'm getting decked out by plants, dog.
Oh, shit. I didn't add when I activated
Do
them.
you want to roll your dice? Alright, for sure. High roll? Or do you want to
Can I go add for this? I never went to add.
low? Okay.
Appreciate it.
What's that?
No, we're past that.
I think I threw it on the board. I'm sure YouTube will let me know what I did wrong.
6? So
They're pretty good at it, I've heard.
You better hand shuffle quick. That guy will get you.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit.
You hand
Perfect.
shuffle sheriff. He's out there. He's watching.
Okay, I hit the low roll.
Not the hand shuffle.
The hand shuffle sheriff, that's pretty good.
Hand shuffle. You have to be going Mach 10.
I'd have been in a good spot.
Oh, shoot. That's
So
funny.
what's this in for? Negate?
So I have a negate, and then if I take damage, I can heal it back and summon a guy from my extra deck. A Sunvine monster.
And then I can have a card in my hand.
Oh my fucking god.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. I'm just sitting. It's okay. I'm just sitting here.
Jeez.
What did I do to you?
Guys, if you battle anyone with the same brand,
Also, this can't be attacked.
He does not know what I'm playing.
You literally can't play anyway.
Nah, like, yeah.
Is it that bad?
oh, it's terrible.
Oh, it's
Oh,
literally
no.
worse than what he. I mean,
You
it's
know what?
pretty-
I don't even care. I'll show
Okay.
you. too.
All right, YouTube. Oh my god. Holy.
What's your stat?
I'm going
Yeah, we'll
first.
skip.
All right, we're going to the next
Okay.
one.
Stacking right.
All right, YouTube. This strap is pushing on my temples.
Get some help.
Yo!
He plays Quercus.
Oh darn.
Yeah.
This is me.
I'm at your mercy.
Wait.
This is me.
Oh. Did you cut mine?
Yes.
Damn white sleeves.
Who's first?
Yeah, he
That's a lot.
runs a YouTube channel over there. The guy who was putting it on him. I mean, or
Stand by.
Anthony found
Man.
What the
Yep.
in the main?
Runic Slumber Deception. Is that good?
Sure.
In the main shape?
The Grand Granola.
Grand granola.
Summon Mooning.
That card would be crazy in Prank Kids
Put him on the bottom of my deck and I draw
if it didn't lock you into fusion monsters. That card. You show him Battle Butler and you're like,
Which one?
woo! Summon anything. Wow.
One card starters with me out now.
100%.
They just feel good.
They do. They do. We're gonna do these. Folgo. Folgo Chain Link 1. I'll summon out a fur hire from my deck. That is different than a dinosaur and a warrior. Summon Dante.
Girl, what?
Dompus effect is I get to special summon a fur hire from my hand. So I'll special Raphael. And then I'll get to look at the top
It's fine.
Raphael.
I was just about
And
to
then I
say,
get to look at the top 3 cards and add one to my hand.
Whenever you said Raphael, I'm
Like the turtle.
like, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. What?
Teenage Mutant.
Dude, that was my favorite show.
I'm gonna add Sprite Blue. All good choices.
Mikey's funny.
Mikey is funny. We're gonna summon
The
Lantis.
skateboard and always wanted to eat pizza.
Special blue effect. Allows me to add a Sprite monster.
Jesus, I'm gonna get my power.
Summon Jet. Jet allows me to add a
no,
spell.
bananas.
Unless in my next 4 turns I don't get all of my pieces of
Sparkly.
Oh, please do not Exodius.
Oh,
They literally made an entire format based on
then
info.
I'll be able to move up.
You said good.
Good, yeah, good. These guys,
They are heavy.
Draw. Stream by. Main one.
You're rolling high today.
11.
Battle.
He is
Summon Manatee.
Into battle.
he just remembers the times that he had with his brothers.
Played starter.
Around him.
Main phase 2.
Aaron.
Yeah, Sprite Garrett.
It doesn't look like him.
It's red. It's like kind of orangish.
Activate. Special summon.
Really orange or
What does that one do?
While I control it, I can only summon plants. While it's in my graveyard or my hand, and you activate a monster effect, I can shuffle it back into my deck and tribute a plant monster I control to negate that monster effect.
Oh, yes.
Does that cost shuffle and train?
Yes. Not from field though.
Oh, Blue Eyes? Oh, you got to tribute something.
Anything else, Simon?
It's level 8.
Oh, yeah.
I know you can banish.
Close enough, though. Close
I
enough.
forgot.
You're fine.
Send a
Be gone. Yep. I'm gonna activate Thrust.
why not? Just punish me, Chase.
Seems good to me.
Huh?
It's not smear change you got there.
Yeah, thank you.
What one card do I want?
Because I don't have a second one yet.
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
I need.
Got the drain granule too?
Yeah, literally all I need is those 3 and everything.
Okay.
Activate talents to look at your hand.
I'm gonna take.
Oh, hold on.
Get him out of here.
Alright, so when you summon,
Normal.
you give priority to your opponent.
Da, 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 effect.
I'm going to use this guy in my graveyard. So I banish him, and I'm gonna attempt to summon him.
Activate.
Yeah, the Raphael guy. That good?
Yep.
All right. So when he's summoned, I get to look at the top 2 cards in my deck and add one, and then he gets to pop 1 card.
I'll take 1,000, heal 1,000.
So I'm gonna pop him, so it
Fix,
destroys him,
fix.
and I look at the top 2.
Okay, but there's
Effect to gain 300.
Yes.
so I get to go through my deck and see. And
No, so he says destroyed by battle. So this was by card effect. Yeah. And then I'm gonna take Slumber.
Effect to gain 300
And then
again.
what happens
Effects.
now is because I destroyed a card on your field, he allows me to draw 3 cards because I control 3 for hires. I know there's a lot going on. You want to cut?
I just shouldn't have backed it, but
Effects.
I can see why.
Effect to pedal.
Draw 1.
Doesn't really come up.
dang it. Man, if you would have killed that during battle, I would have been able to take out my blue.
Effect to set a
I would've
card.
summoned Blue Eyes. Yeah, that card if it gets destroyed by battle is real strong.
I didn't activate Glamour this turn, right?
I don't believe so.
No.
Do you have anything else?
Tribute.
Nope.
Nope. Is it
Sorry
mine
if I look real mean. I'm trying not to move the.
now? Okay, for sure.
No, you're
Flexing every muscle in my neck.
Oh man, effective this because I tributed a card.
Yeah. I'll be real if you have never read a set out of card. I'm totally gonna do
So half of them are in foreign.
Tribute for effect. Summon Summon?
I love giving him puppet in game 1.
Effect.
That's a good one.
Go ahead.
Oh,
Yeah, so
I don't
because I
follow up
activated
too, but I
the
forgot about the
cards,
retribution.
I
I'll
have to
add
enter my
sheets.
battle
He didn't
phase,
have
skip my battle phase, and then go ahead.
But instead, I get my booty blasted by a fucking puppet.
I tried.
effective Melius.
No.
Summon this back.
A fun card.
You're sick fuck, sick.
Effective Bengal Lancer to bounce that. I'll take 3K.
This is gonna be fun.
Bullshit.
Effect target itself.
Baby dragon.
Bold man.
Inspiration, Charlie and John.
I messed up.
I'll activate Rex for hire again. Target
Might not do
same
that.
guy. Is that good?
No, it's not.
No.
Yep. Can't do that.
1, 2.
Set one.
Destroy baby
No, he
dragon.
goes back to my hand.
Pass turn.
My graveyard.
Yeah, you gotta kill him.
Entrance effect.
Somehow.
I'll use the effect of.
Turn, that's how I would ban.
And then I'll draw 3 cards.
Thought I had one in my graveyard. Effect.
You want to cut?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
You want to cut? Because I did search.
Yeah. Oh.
Yep.
Red eyes.
I got blue eyes. I got dark.
Anything but brain diffusion.
I got Slifer.
Slifer.
You got one.
Oh no.
General God.
Never heard of it.
Dang.
on your shoulder makes your skin crawl.